Hello guys, Singer Fox Gaming here, and I'm going to tell you how to fix controller drift. Here. Give me a sec. Oh, there you go. So you're going to open the battery real quick. So make sure to take out the battery for this process. You will be needing a knife or something like that. But I pried it open, so right here, you're just gonna pry that slowly. Alright, it's reglued. Alright, so you're just gonna take a knife and slowly and carefully, you're gonna try and open this. Alright, see, comes off. But you have to go all around the area. Sometimes it holds up a little bit, but you see, it comes out. There'll be glue holding it down if you haven't taken off before. Alright, so I'm just gonna take this off. Now, so when you have it off, you're just gonna take this thumbstick off. Clean the thumbstick. Make sure you clean it. And after that, check if there's any dust in here. Here, just blow down on it. I'm just gonna do that. Alright, after you're done cleaning it out, you can clean out the buttons if you like. Alright, so there's a square on here, so you're just gonna attach it with the other square on the controller. If it'll let me. Yeah, it's on there. Make sure it moves good. No problem. Alright, so we're just gonna take this. Make sure not to break this. I should mention that. And you're just gonna replace this on here. As so. And while you do this, apply pressure down around the perimeter of your area. Alright. Make sure you press the buttons. They're sunken in, so I'm just gonna press that even more. Make sure the gap here is empty. Make sure it's all the way down. Give me a sec, I'm just gonna place you right next to this water bottle. Alright, so I'm gonna continue doing this for a couple of seconds. Now you'll take your battery, make sure it works. And that's how you fix controller drift. It works for me, so hope it doesn't have a problem with you. And that's it. You could do it to the other controllers, it's the same thing. Take off the battery component. The battery, I can't do this with one hand. Just take off the battery case, pry it open. It's gonna be a little hard. Don't put too much pressure or else the plate will break. By the plate, I mean the black plate right here. Just make sure you don't press down hard. I mean, put too much pressure, and that's it. That's it. I'll see you guys next time, and So yeah, make sure to like and subscribe for more future content, and bye.